In this video, I will be showing you how to create website email account in cpanel. So let's get started with the video. First, log into cpanel with your cpanel login username and password. Next, in cpanel settings page, to create website email account, you need to enter email account section. Here, click the Create button on the right side of the page. This is the email account management page. You need to fill in all the information to create the website email account. In the first field, select the website domain for the email account. And in the second field, enter the username of the website email account. And below, you need to enter the email account password. You can either type your own custom password for the website email account, or you can click here to generate a strong random password. I want to type my own custom password for my website email account. And finally, you will need to click the Create button below. And done, you can see the website email account has been created in cpanel.
With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.